Today we're going to take a look at our SS4E-PRO roof panel machine. This machine runs on your standard 110 electric. It can be upgraded to 220. We have different machines if you're running, say, 22 gauge that can actually be hydraulic, 3-phase. We have gas powered, a lot of different options. The main standard is 110, so you can run it off your customer's home power or a generator. We have multiple profiles available. This machine right now is set up for 1 3/4 snap lock. We also have board-and-batten profiles, inch, 1.5 nail flange. We have 1.5 snap lock with clips. Lots of various, which you can see on our website. We also have the beads on these panels. We have the pencil rib. We also have your standard 1-inch bead and your striation. These machines come base machine, as you see here. You can upgrade to a warehouse stand. You can also get the dual overhead reel rack, which holds 2 arbors. We have 10-foot run-out tables which mount on the dual overhead reel rack. So you can run actually up to 6 of these on these racks, kind of designed like a ladder rack. We also have the options for a manual shear, which this machine is getting ready to go out as for customer order. You can also upgrade to computer control with an electric shear, and all that will be based off of your wireless controller. We have obviously your normal emergency stop. We have a start, which sets the machine ready. We have jog, forward, jog in reverse if needed. We also have an auto mode, which will run the machine, which allows your panel to run out. Hit our limit switch here for length, which will shut the machine off. You remove your panel after you shear it, push your button again, and it will run back out and repeat the process to your desired length. We have our PLC control for these machines, so you can set it up for like auto, which is this one set up for 1 foot 10 1/4 inches. There's 15 in the set, and you just hit run. It will run. The machine will actually, your panel will come out, hit your limit switch here, it will shear, and the limit switch will allow you to just kind of sit there until the panel comes off. Then you'll be able to run the next one and repeat the process. Also on here, besides auto, we have our batch, which actually gives you 10 different batches that you can set up 1 foot, 10 1/4 inch for 100 pieces, 3 feet for 200 pieces, etc. 10 different times. And we also have just a manual mode on here where you can run it by hand. If you got to run a couple of pieces, you can run your shear, you can jog it forward, jog it reverse. And we also have our SS4E. This is our 1 inch or 1.5 inch mechanical machine. Now this machine comes with, we call it an entrance end slitter. This is actually your cut to length. on here. Your coil will feed in on the back of this machine, catch these drive rollers, feed through the machine, so your length is actually from here, however far out you need your panel. You cut this here, cut your length, and then your panel would come out of the machine and be done. This machine, I'll move this panel out of the way here. This machine is adjustable. You crank this out, and this will do up to a 28-inch wide coil. And this runs off the same features as the Pro models with the limit switch for your length control. But this one's just plugged into the machine. You run an extension cord in between here for your length. And this machine has the same capabilities of the bead or pencil ribs. Also has the clip relief rollers as most needed with the 1-inch or 1.5-inch mechanical profile.
Give us a call to find out how we can meet your needs or visit our website to see our complete listings of various machines for your industry.